Peace, people. I hope you're good. Right, yo, I'm so amped up. We're about to check out the staple ATMOS Puma pigeon suedes that just dropped. I want to shout out my homie Jeff Staple, who I go all the way back with to around 2006, 2007, when I had a streetwear distribution company by the name of Straight Up with my brother from another, Charlie Henry. We distributed Staple, we distributed 10 Deep, Mishka, Double Goose, Art in Transit, so many brands. We were in a very, very privileged and blessed position indeed. And we had some great times and worked with some great people, including Jeff. But these bad boys in collaboration with ATMOS, and ATMOS is footwear designer extraordinaire still to this day is Kojimasan. Now this dude, he's created some of the coldest classics that you associate with the ATMOS brand, which is, you know, Japan's premier sneaker retailer for those who are uninitiated. But these bad boys, yo, they go in hard and they go in deep. And so when you got Jeff in the mix and Kojimasan in the mix, you know the levels are going to be at maximum. So let's check out the shoes. The Puma suede, it's a shoe that should be in your wardrobe. It's a certified classic, and forgive the pun, it's a wardrobe staple, no question. One of the best-selling sneakers of all time. First debuted in 1968, but it wasn't the shoe that was seen on the podium, the Olympic podium in Mexico in 1968 with Tommy Smith and John Carlos. That accolade goes to the Puma crack, but these debuted shortly after. Look at this. Look at that silhouette. It's still one of the most elegant silhouettes, you know, so dope. This is a B-boy shoe, also associated with Walt Clyde Frazier when he received his signature shoe version in the 70s. But look at that. Now let's check out the levels up close. These joints are made in Vietnam. Beautiful suede here. The light and the dark grays contrasting. The pearlescent purple form stripe, that's beautiful. The pigeon logo right here. Just love how this black heel stripe breaks up the silhouette from the exterior to the interior. And then there's another pigeon logo, the black pigeon logo on the instep. And then look at the form stripe on the instep. It's a completely different effect. Beautiful. You got the ATMOS logo on the tongue and on the insole. These are absolutely hard body indeed. Cold classics, no question. And as I said, handsomely sitting there with the best of the legacy of the pigeon. But check it. Yo, so hard. Anyway, good luck copping, people. Shout outs to Jeff. Shout outs to Nico as well. Nico Reyes, who's holding it down. Always Jeff's right-hand man and a great guy indeed. He's blood in, blood out, no question. So anyway, good luck copping these peeps, all right? One love and peace.